If your firm does not have an AI policy, something like, here's what your employees are allowed to use, here's tools that they're not allowed to use, what they're allowed to install on their computers, what they're not allowed to install, I really recommend you get one fast. This is the Microsoft Store. I searched for AI here, and there are a ton of these AI apps that I'm not using Windows, but if I were, I could go in and install things like GemMind AI, things like ChatNova. These are all mixed in with tools like ChatGPT, which is from OpenAI. The list keeps on going. There are more and more of these chatbots, image generators, things with cute robots, things with weird cyborgs, all mixed in with things like Microsoft Copilot with no distinction of what is actually what. If I click into something like ChatNova and I go and look at, their ratings, it's highly rated, it's powered by OpenAI, it has 10,000 answers. But if I go in and look at their privacy policy, it's in Google Docs. This is the kind of stuff that's in the Microsoft App Store, right? This is what you have to be careful of. If you're using Chrome, there's the Chrome web store. Again, go in and search for AI. Look at all of the AI apps that are available to install in Chrome, things that automate tasks in the browser, things that look like Claude. I'm not actually sure if this is Claude. The list keeps going on and on. I use an Apple computer, so I went into the Apple App Store and searched for AI. Here's the top two are Perplexity and Copilot. Those are legit companies, obviously. But then the next two are two different chatbots that I've never heard of, built on OpenAI. You don't have any idea where people are sending this data once it goes into a tool like this. You don't have a good handle on what the privacy story is for these applications. A lot of these are built and then abandoned. A lot of these are built with bad security protocols. A lot of these are built as wrappers on top of ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, whatever model you can think of. A lot of these are not fit for use in law firms. You have to get a good handle on what people are using inside your organization. That's why you need a strong policy. That's why you need an allowed tools list. Make sure that people are not going in and installing things like this. Get an AI policy now. Get a handle on what people are using in your firm.